Track 19. Listen and sing the song.
Hands on the clock go round and round, round and round and round and round. The hands on the clock go round and round to tell us the time it goes round and round. The shorthand goes from number to number, number to number, number to number. The shorthand goes from number to number, tells us the hour, it goes number to number. The long hand moves around by fives, around by fives, around by fives. The long hand moves around by fives to tell us the minute, it moves around by fives. The hands on the clock go round and round, round and round and round and round. The hands on the clock goes round and round to tell us the time.